The roaring oracle of Davos promises us, mind you, the whole of humanity, the path to a better world. The new world will be more inclusive. In other words, people will be condemned and enslaved even more and inevitably into the transhuman alienation hell. This world will be more just. The burden of subsumption under capital will be evenly distributed to all of those affected by it in a just manner. The great majority will be without any possession, fed with plastic money, and the gap between rich and poor will reach an insurmountable level. The result should be a new world which will be more respectful toward Mother Nature. The conclusion will, for example, be the following: bans on forest walks, biodiversity and artificial reserves, compulsory vaccination as a sign of reverence for nature, chipped animals and human beings, genetically modified and hybrid plants, entirely networked smart cities instead of apartments. Incidentally, a crossroad is not a crossroads if its other branch leads and/or will lead into a world which is similar to the one we have just left behind, only worse and constantly threatened by evil surprises. Both the one and the other way of Schwab and Maleret are erroneous paths. Neither way is the rebellious revolutionary way proposed by Karl Marx.